question if we are making this type of slime, and it's a question if it will become slime or not. So first you need a bowl or something to make the slime in, and then you need something to stir with. I'm just using this type of thing. And then you'll be needing some toothpaste. I'm just using some random one, and you'll be needing some oil. So first I'm going to be adding the toothpaste. I'm not going to be making a lot of slime, because if this is an epic fail, you don't really want to waste toothpaste. Adding about this much toothpaste, then I'm just going to put the cap back on. Just put it back. Then I'm going to be adding, then I'm going to be stirring the thing. It's like this. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some oil to it. Don't ask about the oil. It looks like this. Now basically, so then I'm gonna basically just like continue to stir, and I see the consistency is like a bit like weird first once you put the oil, but then it goes back to the simple way it was before. This is after it's done with the oil. Like something you wouldn't want to touch. So I'm adding more oil to this. So now it's like this. And once I stir it, it goes to a really weird consistency at a point, but then it goes back right on track. So that is an explanation that this slime is an epic fail. So basically, after I did this for the first time, I added some borax to it, and the borax actually really helped it, and then I put it in the freezer for 10 minutes, and then it became slime. I don't have a video of doing that, but you can do that. It's totally optional. But anyways, do not try this way. This is like, I'm doing this on purpose because I want to show you an epic fail. So don't do this way to make slime, okay? Thank you, bye. And if you like my other videos, well, I'm actually a new YouTuber, but I'm going to upload more YouTube videos, but as I upload more, can you please hit the subscribe button and put a big thumbs up, because this is like a watch out sign about making slime. Thank you.